This is Ian from In 30 Minutes Guides. Today I'm going to be showing you 4 productivity tips for Google Sheets. If this video helps, please take a moment to subscribe and like it, and let's get going. Here is Google Sheets. The first, maybe the most important productivity tip is using Google Sheets in Google Chrome, whether you're on a Windows machine, a Mac, or of course a Chromebook. The reason is Google Sheets is designed to work with Chrome. Some features may not be available if you're using other types of browsers such as Safari or Firefox or Microsoft Edge. So use Chrome. That's tip number 1. Tip number 2, sharing. This is really implemented very well in Google Sheets. For this particular sheet, just click the share button. You can see it's already shared with one person. If I wanted to add more people, I could just start typing their name, and people who are in my address book or people I've emailed recently will start showing up. The other thing you can do is you can copy a link to give to people. For instance, if I copied it right now, I could share it with Nicole, but nobody else. But the other thing I could do is I could change restricted to anyone with the link, copy the link, and then somebody would be able to see that. So that's one way to do it. I'm going to put that back to restricted, and I'm done. Okay, tip number 3, offline editing. I don't know how many times I've been on an airplane where Wi-Fi is not available or it's too slow, or even a train or something like that, or in a car. If you have offline editing enabled, this will let you work on your spreadsheet even if you're not on Wi-Fi or you don't have any network connection. This does work in Chrome for sure. I'm not so sure about the other browsers, which is one of the reasons I said you should be using Google Chrome. If you're not sure whether offline editing is enabled, open up Google Sheets. So actually, let's open up a new window here. Sheets. And then click on this, the main menu, click on Settings. And then you'll see there is a toggle for offline. Create, open, and edit your recent Google Docs files on this device while offline. It's actually Google Sheets as well, but you get the idea. Make sure that that's toggled on and click OK. All right. So finally, the 4th tip for Google Sheets. This is a feature called Autofill in Microsoft Excel. It works the same way in Google Sheets. And basically, all you need are a series of 2 numbers. You select them both, grab the rectangle in the lower right corner and drag it. And you can see it increases the series. The other thing you can do is sometimes even with a single number, it will increase the series. So let's say that I took today's date, 7/26/2022, and then dragged it to the right. You'll see the dates are going up. 7/27, 7/28. For more information on how to get the most out of Google Drive, Docs, Sheets, and Slides, I've written a book about it. I also have several cheat sheets available on the official In 30 Minutes store. Check it out. And also, if this video helped you out, if you could like or follow me, that would be great. This is Ian signing off. Thank you so much for watching.